Happy New Year. Good morning and Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's, guys. Ngiyabonga. Bonga. Ngiyabonga. Happy New Year's. I don't feel like anything has changed so far. I just feel like it just doesn't feel like it's New Year's. It just feels like we're still like in 2025. So far for me, nothing is exciting. And I don't feel like anything is exciting right now. And I don't even know if it's just totally boring, to be honest with you guys. It's just really bothering me. And it's not like you want it to be loud and whatever, but I just feel like this year things are getting a bit more serious and a bit, things are gonna get a bit serious, to be honest with you guys. Your skin is glowing, looking pretty. Guys, why does Frank Will always say this thing that I look like I don't fart? I just don't know which human being doesn't fart. It just doesn't sound good, you guys, when you say these things. It is honestly so crazy. Tap the screen. I don't know. Okay, no, that looks a bit better. Guys, the way I'm trying to hide my forehead, it is so amazing. I don't like my forehead. I'm telling you guys, I've got a huge forehead. Look at that. I can never. Yeah. I can never go around with my forehead. Massive. It's a massive forehead, guys. There's just no way I could ever show it. It wouldn't make sense. I wonder if my other phone can. Dlamini, thank you so much. I'll be back. all who are weary, come to Jesus. Okay, guys. Oh, thank you. It's my first gift of the year. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What are you up to in the morning? I will be cooking today, but I was thinking of cooking tomorrow, because I'm already late now for oxtail, because oxtail takes 4 hours in the pot if I wanted to have lunch with my people. But now I'm late, so I'm gonna have to try tomorrow. I was going to cook today, but I won't make it. So okay, I don't think I should have been live to begin with, but I'm not cool. Hi. Hi, how are you? Have you left for work? Have you left for work? No problem. Sure, I had a very weird DM yesterday, guys. There's a DM that I got from this person, and he was like, he's the son of Gordon from Uganda. The son of, I actually googled that guy because I didn't know who he was. Gordon, well, from Uganda. Yeah, man, I don't know what that guy's name is. Gordon, yeah, well, this guy, he says he's the son of this guy, and then he would like to talk to me. And then I asked him, who's this guy? And he says, my father. And then he got offended, and then he called me a bitch for not knowing who this was. And then he told me I'm a dickhead. And he said I must go fuck my mom. Because it's hectic. Okay, and then he blocked me after that. And then he blocked me after that. I don't know what happened, because I just said, wow, thank you for that, or, for the insult. I was taking the insult. I didn't know I don't know Gordon. I don't know who this guy is. I don't know who this guy is. But he said to me, I must go my mom. And then he says, God, oh my God. Oh my God. It's actually here on my TikTok right now. I think he got offended because he blocked me. Immediately after I said thank you, because I was like, oh, thank you, Adam. His name is Adam. don't know who the president of Uganda is, but I don't even care. But like, I don't understand how I get to be like to be, bullied because I didn't know who he was, and then he's like, I'm a head, and I don't like it's your bra. I don't even know. I don't even know. I don't even know why he got so offended. I mean, I think maybe he got agitated with the fact that I'm not informed, and how can I not know his father when his father is actually a public figure. And then when I googled the person and I saw this person, I actually said I've seen this guy on TikTok. I didn't know that he was this anybody's. I didn't know. I don't know him. I still don't know him. And this guy actually ate me up. He ate me up, guys. So, Merry Christmas to you guys. Can you guys please tap the screen? There's 46 of your guys and nobody's tapping the screen. That's not nice. Thank you. Hi, ma. Mbona yung shayla ngale? Yeah, man. Ngaphi njani? Ngicela kuye ngikushayele. Ngisendlini. Ngisendlini. Angithi nginebamfu. Happy New Year, Blue. Happy New Year, Senza. Senkos. I have my aircon on, guys. I don't know for what reason. Mali Dlamini. Sawubona Nkosi. Hi Nkosi, how are you? Thank you so much, Mali. Happy New Year's to you too, guys. Guys,
who can I ask a question? Who also likes to, after a bath or a shower, who likes to have the aircon on, like turned on to like the coldest? I like having the aircon on after my bath because, guys, can you please tap the screen? This is not cool. I like having the aircon on every time um after a bath because I just want to feel this super cold, and I don't know, but I'm tapping alone. I'm sorry, sengo, but ngiyabonga. I always do that too, but not to the max. But do you know how, like, do you actually feel that it's so nice? Go see, I use a fan. How must I tap when you don't greet? I actually do greet back. What do you mean? But it feels good. Happy New Year's to you guys. Don't gain weight. Don't have babies. Work hard. Focus. Women don't give birth. Okay. Let's all do gym this year. Let's not. Let's do gym, guys. This year, let's have fun. Let's not take things personally. Let's not take things seriously. Let's not be emotional. Let's not be, yeah. Where are you, beautiful? Where are you, beautiful soul, whom I want to have for the rest of my. You don't want me as a wife. Trust me. I wake up too early, and now at 5 o'clock my bed is already made. And I want you out of the bed, so you don't want to marry me. Trust me, guys. Now at 5 o'clock my bed is made, and I'm up next for like ready. Like I really try. Happy 2026. Umnyaka Lomosha. I'm staying in Matapa. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Happy 2026 to you too, my darling. The Dawn Ghost. Very true. Thank you so much, Tanwa-sam. Appreciate it a lot. A lot. I really want to marry you. There are no two ways about it. You can try. You can try. Honestly, this is the first live of you I've seen, and I've picked up on how humble you are. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I wake up at 5 a.m. for gym. Yes, that's good. You see, that's like literally good. That's literally good. Thank you for the right response. I don't think anybody would want to marry someone who will be waking up at 4 o'clock and then the bed is made by 5 o'clock. And that means also you must be out of the bed. It's not. What do you mean it's abuse? It's not. It's literally fact. I'm gonna pause the live. I'll be back in 10 seconds. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I was going to, because it had paused, so I had to go and press continue because I'm still watching. It means there has to be a spare bedroom, ne? Spare bedroom, ne? Yeah. Maybe 100% there. I can help you with that. I mean, because honestly, I have to make the bed if we're both working. I have to wake up and make the bed. You know, I don't like helpers touching my bed. I would really like to do it on my own. The bedroom, I would like to take care of it on my own. You know. So if we're gonna be both going to work, I have to, unless I'm not working, you know, you are, then I can let you sleep and then go make you breakfast, prepare you for work. But then if we're both working, then I have to wake up. I have to unfortunately wake up early to make the bed, and also you have to wake up early so that I can clean the bed. Definitely find that I work early more than that. Yeah, explaining me on Kaza. I don't. Ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga. Why do you look like a character out of Will Smith movie? I mean like in the nice way. I don't know, but thank you. I appreciate it. I take that as a compliment. You would do that if you were not working. I mean, as I was saying, guys, if we're both working, me and you as a partner, right? I'd have to, like, if we're both working, I have to wake up early, and you have to unfortunately wake up early so that I make the bed and everything, right? Because we're both going to work, and we can't have helpers going into our bedroom and touching our bedroom stuff and everything, right? So, but if I'm not working and you are the working person in the home, then I can let you sleep, and then by the time you wake up, I prepare you for work. You find, like, I can do the bed anytime, so long as you can't. Abafana benzani manje la comment section ngizobabhonya bafana kulo muntu. You currently working or studying? I'm working on working now. Someone please make this woman a wife yesterday. I'm not in a rush for that. I'm doing well for myself right now, so. Which part of this world or Africa are you in? I am in Eswatini, Swaziland. Inside, it's a country probably inside South Africa, but Emaswati do not like that statement. Answer my question, are you ready to relocate? For my partner, I would, but I also have to visit my mom because I love my mom. Are you dating someone? I am. I feel like I'm starving. I actually cooked chicken yesterday, but when I was cooking, it was lightning and thunder, and I hadn't cooked the starch. I only cooked the chicken, and then light went off for a good 45 minutes, and I had to have my dinner at about 9 o'clock. I didn't tell anybody about that. My mom kept calling me, say, did you eat? And I kept telling her that I did eat, and finally the electricity came back. You know how, like, rice, you only cook it for like 12 minutes. Well, I have Indian basmati rice. So I cooked and it was already like 8:37, and I started cooking the starch, and I had my dinner very late. I had my dinner very late last night, and and yeah, it went quite well, and very unexpected. It's just that lightning can disturb the way you want to do things. But I was thanking God that, hey, I actually showered before the rain started, or the thunder started, or the storm started. And it's my birthday Sunday, and it's crazy. I've got so much anxiety that Sunday I'm turning 25, and I'm so old. It's just so old, disgusting too. I'm no longer 23. It's not good. It's not good. Can I take you out? I mean, I can take you out. Don't worry. Damn, you old. I for sure know I am. Eh? I am. But that doesn't bother me. I mean, I still have my mom and dad. Tea party. You're very young. Ah, babes. Hey, 5 years, 5 years to 30. That 5 years is not like really long. It's not far. I'm gonna make a birthday card just for you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anokenisicome we-blue nathi singabantu. Okay. Okay. I'll keep that in mind. I'll keep that in mind. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you too, Prince. How are you? I'm lovely, guys. I'm about to leave. But I'm starving now. The town goes maybe blessed beyond measures this year. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. That's the very nicest thing a person could say to me. Thank you so much. I appreciate that, guys. Happy New Year to you too, Philmon. Let's go drink cocktails. I don't do alcohol, but if it's a virgin alcohol, and then I can take that. I've never touched alcohol, guys. I've never done alcohol, so long as it's virgin cocktails, I can do that. Are you single? I am not single, guys. I have a partner. Are you married yet? Not married. I think I'm still a little bit far for that, hey? Where are you from? I am from America. I am from Eswatini, Swaziland. I don't think that most American people actually do not know that this country, especially American people. Because Dlamini, thank you so much, Prince. Imagine.
Flag of Eswatini. Flag of Eswatini.
That is
Flag of
crazy.
Eswatini.
I don't want to.
Flag of Eswatini.
Yeah, partner yakho uyayihla ngathi ufuna ama-hawks. Uyayifihla ngathi ufuna ama-hawks. No, I'm not hiding anybody. It's just like, it's not that long. It hasn't been like a long term yet. So, I mean, it's better to keep things a bit on a down low. You know, sawubona sisi wami, njani Nkosi, njani Dlamini? Will you marry me? Of course. I do. What does it mean? Yes. Yes. Private relationships are the best, you know, because at the end of the day, I don't have to get disappointed publicly. You know, I don't ever want to go through that. So, hey babe, hey darling, hey my love. To find a Masita, thank you so much. Are you Swati? I am Swati. Sabona Nkos. Unjani, Mali Dlamini. How am I now? When? So when do you do your lives? Normally in the mornings, right after I try and get ready, you know. Then yeah. Hi love. Hi Emma. Emma's such a nice name. So you're going out soon? I'll probably think about it. Can we be friends? Sure, we can be friends. I love being friends with the name Emma. I would love that. So this is Billie Jean, but an AI cover. Billie Jean, it's Michael Jackson, but it's an AI cover. The 1950s kind of music. Yeah. Hey Chi Chi. Hi, how are you, Chi Chi? How are you, my darling? Because when are you going to come to Eswatini? Eswatini mean? Ngisekhaya mean? Guys, why didn't come to me? Eswatini mean? So do you have a boyfriend? I have a partner. I have someone I call a partner. I'm good, and you? I'm good too, Chichi. You're absolutely gorgeous and Goes. Thank you so much, Sandile. I appreciate that. Kakhulu. Sibahle, awusemhle, ngiyabonga sibahle. Ngiyabonga my love. Thank you so much. Umuhle nawe sibahle. I can see your picture. Doesn't matter that you're far, but I can still see you. You're very pretty. Compliments of 2026 when a gorgeous. Thank you too. Mwah! Thank you, you too. You look like an angel. Ngiyabonga. Blessing. I'll just call you bright blessings. Thank you so much. I appreciate that so much. You found it good. Good. I was texting my friend yesterday. She was like telling me that she's with her man. And I was like, you know, my friends actually are living a good life. They're happy, you know. Me, on New Year's, I was alone and I didn't want to go anywhere. My mom was like, let's go to church. And I was like, in this muddy day, it's so muddy and I can't do that, you know. I just slept. When the fireworks started, I heard, but I couldn't wake up. I was sleeping. Thank you for the rose, Henry. 2026 is yajol angit 8 minute angat. So can he get replaced? I don't think I can don't think I can do that. Okay, guys, can you hear me now? Can you guys hear me now? Because I was just like trying to figure out. Can you hear me guys now? Okay. I thought you guys couldn't hear me, so sorry. I'm having a panic attack right now. Oh gosh, I didn't want to know this thing, but oh my god. Lol, heard everything. That's cap. You lying. You didn't hear everything. How? No, I'm just very confused at what's going to have to happen, you know. Because I mean, I need your help. Yeah, sure, you can DM me. You can DM me, sure. Follow me, Emma. I'll definitely follow you. Do you wear a wig? This is a wig. This is a wig. I've got my real hair underneath. I've got a huge forehead. What in the world? It looks real. I wish you could wear one. Afro will look good on you. Nah, I won't DM. I'm weak, Sham. Ah, guys, me, if I was a man as well, I wouldn't DM. I definitely wouldn't DM as well. If I was a man, I wouldn't DM any girl. I'm sorry. Can I ask you something? Sure, you can ask me something. Okay, this thing pissed me off actually a little bit, so I don't know how I'm gonna fix this right now. I don't know. What is wrong with Tando? What is Tando? Who's Tando? Sure, you can DM me, Prince. You can DM me. I did not know about this plans right now. This is just so fucking crooked. Fucking Jesus Christ. The TikToker. Panda's girlfriend. I don't think there's anything wrong with her. I think she's pretty. She's playing older men. I don't know. Do you guys actually know that she's doing these things that you guys are claiming? Like, you guys just be saying things. Why don't you have Instagram? I can't afford it. I think y'all just saying things. I don't know. I mean, just let a girl live her life. My family's great. I won't lie, Prince. My mom's good. My dad is good, and you know, everything's good. My little brother's good as well. So everything is great here. Everything's great. When will you come to Uganda? I do not have any friends in Uganda. I don't know anybody in Uganda. If you say yes, my friend, let me kick him here. How can I get your WhatsApp number? I just think that I need to make sure that you're a girl, then I can give it to a girl, you know. But even then, I don't know. Like, funny story. My TikTok is going viral right now. That's good. That's good. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. This is so weird. I'm going through the worst. Kangosi, I will respond back. I will revert back to you. I just got the shock of my life. I didn't expect this to happen so freaking quick. What's your biggest achievement of 2025? That's just a heartbreaking question because I have not achieved anything. I don't even know what to say. That's just I just I just feel like I'm clashing. My days are clashing. You know, I'm supposed to be going elsewhere. I don't even know what I'm going to do. You know, I really, really, really like you. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh my goodness, this thing is stressing me. I keep, you know, I'm very, very stressed. You know, my dates are clashing with what I want to do, but hello, hello. If a guy stresses you, don't mind him. Oh no, it's not a guy shame. It's not. It's just my dates. it just keeps getting worse, guys. It just keeps getting worse. But look, I mean, there's nothing much that I can't hide. I can't hide, guys, as much as I want to do things, but this thing just hurts me so bad. I just, I don't know how to go through this. I'm like, I'll talk to you guys later. I do have to go right now. I didn't know that I have to shuffle a lot of things right now. So we will catch up, guys. We will catch up some other time. And I have to love and leave you. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.